If you want to keep important information, meeting summaries, or project documentation organized, ProofHub's Notes feature is a great place to store everything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create notes in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open the project where you want to create a note. Once you're inside the project, navigate to the Notes section. Next, click the New Note or Create Note button. This will open the note editor where you can add your content. Give your note a clear and descriptive title. A good title makes it much easier for you and your teammates to find the information later. Now enter the information you want to save. You can write meeting notes, project plans, checklists, instructions, or any other important details your team needs. To make your notes easier to read, use headings, bullet points, numbered lists, and other formatting tools available in the editor. If your note requires additional files, you can attach documents, images, or other resources so everything stays together in one place. Once you're happy with your content, click Save. Your note will be available inside the project, where authorized team members can access it whenever needed. If your project changes, simply open the note again to update information, add new details, or remove outdated content. And that's how to create notes in ProofHub. Keeping your important information organized in notes makes it much easier for your entire team to stay informed and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.